surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me.
Guess who is getting a new coffee table? Me. I think it's here. Let's see. Just a minute. Yeah, they are here.
It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way this fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. The way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah.
My day has just been made. I have a new coffee table. But the thing is, it's a little bit shorter than the other one that I was using. It's inches shorter. It's making my room now look so big. I think I'm going to rearrange this room. I'm going to rearrange my sitting area. You guys tell me if I'm thinking right. So I'm thinking I move this chair to this space so it will face that side, and then I move the, what is it called, the TV stand to that space, and then we'll have the view of that side. I think it will work because, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do later, not now, because I need that to dry. I don't want to tamper with it, but so far so good. I love it. I love it. I have just uploaded my Thursday vlog, yeah, so I need to go to the gym, but first I want to rearrange the house and see how it's looking so that I can go and get someone to mount my TV if I'm going to move it. Regardless, I need a guy to remount my TV because it's too high. So let me quickly see what I can do and if I love the new arrangement the way I'm thinking, and then we see. Yeah.
What was it like the moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life? Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't.
So this is how it's going to look. I think I'm going to just let it be still like this. I have enough space here. Let me walk. Don't mind the mess. Like you can see, I have enough space to walk, right? And I also have enough space to, I was afraid if I put it like this, I won't have enough space behind here, but I think this is pretty. I think I'm going to just get some, and then I can see how my curtains are flowy. I just have to mount the TV on that side and it will be mounted lower. I think this mirror just looks nice right there. I don't think I'm going to move it. I'll think about it because I like it there. I might get another mirror for there, and then yeah, this will motivate me also to get a big couch because I have a lot of space, but I love spacious space. Yeah.
But feel this way.
20 rand, but it's provision from the Lord. I know it's an old pair of shoes, but it's provision from the Lord. I know that you just think it's information that you had because you went to varsity to study, but it was provision from the Lord. I know that it's because you think you're the CEO and the executive in the company, therefore you can help a few young people. It's provision from the Lord. It's path and gateways that the Lord has given you. It is a privilege that not only does the God give you that thing, but the very thing that he gives you, when you take time to extend it to somebody else, he rewards you for you giving out what he gave to you. Whoever is generous to the poor lends to the Lord. What he gave you, when you give out, he is kind enough to bless you. The Bible says...
Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Nancy Vlogs, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch more of my content. Today is on Friday. Yeah, so I'm still in the process of rearranging my sitting room. So this is far that we have got. So I have moved the television from that side to that side, and I have lowered it. That is better now. I'll not be struggling to watch. Then those holes, I have filled them. I'm waiting to get like a paint so that I can paint them so that they should stop looking like that. But I'm going to return my mirror right there, and then I'll get a bigger mirror for that space. I love mirrors in my space because they make the place look bigger. Yeah, and that's why we are cut, and I'm loving it. I know that like the end product will be beautiful. So the paint work is done. It's so seamless. Yeah, so I'm letting that dry. Yeah, I'll go to the gym and let it dry so I can come back and clean all of this mess. My house is dirty. So after the gym, I'll clean it and then set up my sitting area, and that will be it. Yep.
Giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is.
This is how it has turned out. I love it. I have spacious space. Yeah. Even when I get a bigger couch, I will not have like a problem with it because there is much space yeah, and I have more space here for working during when I'm cooking or in the kitchen area. So yeah, super excited of how it's going to look at night.
Fresh, be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Sure to give it a step, but she fed up.
These are the tables up close. This is how they look. I love them. I love that. Love this. Yeah. So pretty. I love them. And now when I sit here, I'll watch my TV without much struggle. Yeah.
Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for.
This is my favorite part now. You can see the beauty of my curtains. Yay. I love it. It looks so nice.
King to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
Soon as I stop worrying how my story ends, and I let go, and I let go. That's when things start happening, and I stop looking at back. Let go. Of living up to their standards, for they were not there when the Father formed you in his hands. Cause he has a plan, he has your life in his hands. Just because you haven't seen it doesn't mean it's not there. Cause I know you tried it on your own, but you can't walk alone. You kept it all inside, it's time to let it go. So let go.
I'm done taking my dinner, so I want to mask my face. So so it can dry as I'm washing the dishes. Yeah.
Get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Oh, drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh, you are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized I've got a lifetime. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. Searched all over, not like Jehovah Rapha, Nisi, never leave me. Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline.
I have had to first pause the movie because 5 minutes in, it's already intense. It needs total concentration. So I'm going to finish up with my skincare and then come sit down here, watch it, concentrate on it. Yeah, I don't want to miss anything, no detail. I want to...
Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me. This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with where you live right now. So let's not waste another day. Cause we find out to see them all. Let's take nothing to say, nothing to talk down.
With it, tomorrow is on Saturday, and the people in my gym are going for a run. I really don't trust myself with runs. Literally, I don't trust myself with runs. So I'm thinking of joining them. But again, the last time I ran, I had to take a motorbike back home. That's why I stopped running, by the way. I used to run like each and every Sunday. Yeah, I used to run on Sundays. But runs are really not that for, they don't do it for me. They drain me. I hate cardio. But I really want to run. I really want to train myself how to run. and to control my breathing. But then that's the only thing that makes me run so hard. I think I have not mastered how to breathe when I run, or maybe I run too fast at the start. I really don't know. So I was thinking to join them because the coach will be there, so I can take the advantage, and maybe I'm going to be coached on how to run, right? I don't know. My skin. But I have to train to run, because I'm also looking forward to register for a marathon this year. Oh my goodness. When I think about it, it's so funny to me. So funny. Because I know myself. I enjoy walks. Running is where I draw the line. It's not the same with the treadmill. I can run on the treadmill for at least 5 minutes, but outside, I'm not that confident. I'm not that confident. So I'm done with skincare. I love masking my face before bed. I feel like it helps better when I'm asleep. That's why I love masking it before going to bed. Like both mask, the clay mask, or even the moisturizing mask. Yeah, but I think the best results come when I use both. After I use the clay mask, and then I go on in with the hydrating mask, because the clay mask, when I wash it off, it makes sure like my pores are well opened, yeah, and my face is super clean. So when I wear the hydrating mask, I'm fully hydrated and like, you see, yeah. But the best thing, the result, I'll see them tomorrow. I'm seeing myself from the mirror and I look so good. I look so nice. I'm so beautiful. Oh my goodness, now I'm blushing. Okay, you guys, let me go watch Passion of Christ, finish it. Yeah, and I think this will be the end of this vlog. Thank you for catching up with me. Thank you for always coming back to watch more of my content, supporting me, liking, sharing, all those good things. I really appreciate you, and I love you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup.
If you're a Christian and you're looking forward to watch more of Christian movies, I would really highly recommend Passion of Christ and The Chosen. If you have not watched The Chosen, you should watch it. Yeah, if you're trying to watch more of Christian movies like I'm trying to do. So far so good. I know The Chosen, God Is Not Dead. Which other have I watched? No, The Passion of Christ. I think those are the only movies that I've watched so far based on Christianity, right? Yeah, based on Christianity. I've made caramel tea. Yeah. So, bye for now. Like, bye for real. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I